In this short video, we will look at the mnemonic ROME to interpret arterial blood gases. Respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. Respiratory opposite means that the PaCO2, which represents the respiratory system in your blood gas sample, and the pH will be opposite to each other in a respiratory disorder. So, for example, if you had an acidosis, the pH would be low. If you had a respiratory acidosis, you would expect the PaCO2 to be moving in the opposite direction and therefore to be high. Similarly, in an alkalosis where the pH is raised, if you had a respiratory alkalosis, you would expect that the PaCO2 moving in the opposite direction would be low. In a metabolic disorder, the bicarbonate represents the metabolic system, and the relationship between your bicarbonate and the pH is that they are equal. They move in the same direction. So, for example, if you had an acidosis, your pH would be low. If this was caused by a metabolic disorder, your bicarbonate will be moving in the same direction as your pH and therefore also low. If you had an alkalosis and the pH was raised, and this was a metabolic disorder, you would expect your bicarbonate to be moving in the same direction equal to the pH. Looking at the summary slide, using the acronym ROME, respiratory opposite, metabolic equal. I hope this will help you to interpret your arterial blood gases. Thank you.